Questions and phrases. Weather. Listen and repeat. It's raining. It's rainy. It's snowy. It's snowy. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a rainy day. It's a rainy day. It's raining. It's raining. It's snowing. It's snowing. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? It's sunny and warm. It's sunny and warm. It's raining. It's raining. What's the temperature? What's the temperature? It's 5 degrees Celsius. It's 5 degrees Celsius. It's 50 degrees Fahrenheit. It's 50 degrees Fahrenheit. What's the weather supposed to be like? What's the weather supposed to be like? I don't know. I don't know. It's supposed to rain today. It's supposed to rain today. It's supposed to be nice. It's supposed to be nice. It's supposed to clear up this afternoon. It's supposed to clear up this afternoon. What's the weather like in the summer? What's the weather like in the summer? It's dry. It's dry. It's humid. It's humid. It's really hot. It's really hot. Quick tip about your R. Watch my lips when I say really. Really. I'm making a kiss, like I'm going to kiss someone, before I say the R. If you do that, your R will sound perfect. If you don't do that, it'll sound like more like an H. So for example, really, really. It's a big difference. What's the weather like in the winter? What's the weather like in the winter? It's rainy during the winter. It's rainy during the winter. It snows a lot. It snows a lot. It's wetter than the summer. It's wetter than the summer. What's the average temperature? What's the average temperature? It's usually around 5 degrees Celsius. It's usually around 5 degrees Celsius. It's normally around 50 degrees Fahrenheit. It's normally around 50 degrees Fahrenheit. It's typically around 30 degrees Celsius in the summer. It's typically around 30 degrees Celsius in the summer. So the words usually, normally, typically all pretty much mean the same thing, just a common occurrence. So you can use any one of those adverbs. Is it dry or humid? Is it dry or humid? It's dry. It's dry. It's humid. It's humid. How humid does it get? How humid does it get? In the summer, it's usually between 80 to 100%. In the summer, it's usually between 80 to 100%. During the rainy season, The humidity is very high. During the rainy season, I can't talk. During the rainy season, the humidity is very high. Does it rain or snow? Does it rain or snow? Sometimes it rains. Sometimes it rains. Yeah, it rains a lot. Yeah, it rains a lot. No, it doesn't snow here. No, it doesn't snow here. What's the forecast for tomorrow? What's the forecast for tomorrow? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It's supposed to be nice all day tomorrow. It's supposed to be nice all day tomorrow. It's supposed to rain tomorrow afternoon. It's supposed to rain tomorrow afternoon. What's the weather supposed to be like this week? What's the weather supposed to be like this week? It's supposed to be nice all week. It's supposed to be nice all week. It's supposed to be really hot all week. It's supposed to be really hot all week. What was the weather like yesterday? What was the weather like yesterday? It was cold all day. It was cold all day. It was cloudy. It was cloudy. What was the weather like last week? What was the weather like last week? It was beautiful all last week. It was beautiful all last week. It was cold all week. It was cold all week. So you don't have to say last. It's implied from the question. What was the weather like last week? Ah, yeah, it was cold all week. They know you're talking about last week. It snowed all week. It snowed all week. Last week, it was nice. Last week, it was nice. Last week, it rained. Almost every single day. Last week, it rained almost every single day. So every single and almost every single is important. Replay this and keep practicing that. You can use that for a lot of things. Every single day, every single person, um, every single month, every single project. Uh, that phrase is used a lot. What was the temperature? What was the temperature? It was 9 degrees Celsius. It was 9 degrees Celsius. It was 90 degrees Fahrenheit. It was 90 degrees Fahrenheit.